What's up, guys? Here we are again with the last and final video. I want to take just a shot with a tryout with the number 18, the theorems proposed in uncertainty reduction theory (URT), a proposition that logically and initially follows from two axioms. Deduct the logic pattern: if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. Well, I thought about this in the standpoint of this. If A is robbing a bank and B is going to jail, and then if B is going to jail, and if you go to jail or prison, I'm gonna say prison per se. So A is robbing a bank, B is going to prison, B is going to prison. Then C is getting raped in prison. So is robbing a bank necessarily mean get raped? And that's what I thought about. It's weird as it sounds. That's the concept I thought about when I was thinking about number 18. So this axiom doesn't really make sense to me at all times. Or then again, there's exceptions to every rule. I know this, but only because A equals B and B equals C does not always mean that A is going to equal to C. No, I'm trying to look at it at a different standpoint. If A is a school book, B equals homework, and C is an A in the class because you did your homework. Now, see, again, to me that doesn't really make sense, because just because you do your homework and study does not necessarily mean you will get an A in the class because you do homework, because homework can be wrong and homework can lead to actually more F's than you think. Just with this class alone, you can find yourselves doing homework and stuff, but not necessarily it having a direct result in you getting an A on the quiz or an A on the test. I think that was kind of I think that's really wrong. I think if A equals B, then B equals C, then C should equal D in a way. That's how, to me, that's how it really should have been. Because there's too much of a different correlation between A and C. It's really hard to link both those together, and that way you get a common factor between those two. Only the common factor is B. And really, B is really a distance related factor to this equation. So I think the uncertainty reduction theory should be just a theory of we not knowing, we're uncertain about what's really going on. And I think that just derives from going back to self-disclosure. If you don't know something and don't have information about it, of course we're gonna be uncertain. We're gonna be weary, and we're gonna try to predict that outcome of that given situation. That way we personally have some kind of understanding of what's really going on in a given situation.